Given that 2x plus 1 is less than or equal to f of x is less than or equal to 16 minus x squared over an interval containing x is equal to 3. Wow. Okay, Bright.
7.
How? Yes. I hadn't even asked you the question yet. All right. Displacement along a certain progressive wave is given by, and please listen carefully, y as a function of x and t is equal to 20 meters multiplied by sine of an expression with 2 terms. Now the first term is 18 pi per meter x minus the second expression, which is 32 pi per second t. Find the frequency of the wave. Yes, Bright.
16 hertz.
Yes. Next one. What is the focal length of a convergent lens for which the distance between the focus and the image of an object is 4 centimeters, when the distance between the focus and the object is 30? Yes, Bright.
12 centimeters.
Yes. How did you know I had not finished telling you the value? All right, it was actually 36 centimeters that I was saying. All right, next set, 30 seconds. Name the elements in period 3 that form pure ionic. Bright.
Sodium and magnesium.
Yes. The end of that question was that form pure ionic hydrides, and yes, sodium and magnesium. Give the hybridization of the bonding orbitals of beryllium in its. Yes, Francisca.
SP.
Yes. How does refrigeration help to stop? Yes, which of you? Bright.
When food substances are refrigerated, the temperature within the refrigerator is very low, such that the enzymes and then the bacteria, which are responsible for spoilage of food, gets inactivated, and so they will not be able to cause the food to spoil since they've been inactivated by the low temperature, and hence the food can be stored for a relatively longer time.
I'm not accepting it. This is speed race. The answer must be perfect. It's not a matter of inactivation. It's a matter of slowing down. It can still go on, but it will be slower. And that brings us to the end of that wonderful speed race. The magnitude of the magnetic flux density 1 meter from a long straight current carrying wire is 2 nanotesla. Find the magnitude of the magnetic flux density 0.5 meters. Yes, Bright.
4 nanotesla.
Yes. Next one. 10 seconds. How many pi bonds are present in the H2SO4 molecule? Yes, which of you? Abukari?
1.
No. Who rang next? Yes, Bright?
2.
Yes. Next one, 10 seconds. Explain why, even though both phenol and ethanol contain the OH group, phenol, yes, right.
Phenol is more acidic than ethanol. This is because the acidity of compounds depends on the ability of the OH bonds to be polarized for H plus ions to be released, and also the stabilization of the resulting conjugate ion formed. When phenol protonates, it forms the phenoxide ion, which is stabilized by resonance. But when ethanol protonates, it forms the ethoxide ion, which is not stabilized by resonance.
Yes. Next question, 30 seconds. A binary operation is defined on the set of real numbers excluding -1 by A star B is equal to A plus B plus AB. Find the identity E. Yes. Bright.
0.
Yes. Last question of the round, 10 seconds. I could be regarded as a charge, real or imaginary. I am usually quantified in very familiar units. You cannot guess what or who I am from my synonyms because ordinarily they are not close in meaning. In group 1 compounds, I have a steady number of unity. My sum in a neutral compound is always 0. So who am I? Yes, Lutrot.
Oxidation number.
Yes.